Hi, this is Craig Voigt. This is my tutorial on how to create and launch awesome Google ads that grow your business. What are Google ads? Google ads are advertisements paid for by businesses which appear in search results on Google.com. There are 2.3 million searches performed on Google every second, so placing ads on Google search pages can be an extremely effective way of driving relevant qualified traffic to your website, and also exactly at times that people are searching for the type of products and services your business offers. And I show some examples of Google ads at the bottom. Those are just banner ads. So how do you create Google ads? Google allows marketers to create and launch advertisements with the use of the Google Search Network. So those are just ads with no images in them, just text only, and the Google Display Network, which are ads with images and video in them, and Google's AdSense program, which allows website publishers to make money by placing Google advertising on their website, so you can actually make money too. And there's some more ads, Google ads, on the bottom. So let's get started. Creating ads in Google can seem like a complex process at first, but if we break it down into simple steps, we'll be creating effective professional advertisements in no time. So go to the Google Ads page, and I have a link here shown. The first page that comes up should ask, use Google Ads as, and click on New Google Ads Accounts. So you're creating an account here. On the next page, you decide what your main advertising goal is. You check one of the three boxes and click Next. Click whatever you think is best for you. The new campaign window pops up. And this is where you choose the type of campaign that will make you most successful. For purposes of this tutorial, I chose brand awareness and reach. You can choose whatever you think is best. And my ad type as video. Next is the Create Campaign page. This is the main big page where you input most of your important information. Just many things like campaign name, budget, launching dates, networks, languages, locations, demographics, psychographics, bidding, audience, and more. There's a lot of stuff here. You can see that getting the information correct here is all important to campaign success. We could talk about many things on this page, probably spend a couple hours on it, but in this tutorial we'll just discuss keywords mostly. Keywords are important words and phrases that will help your ads to show up on a page when people type them in the Google search engine. When you click on the keyword tab, Google gives you a keyword ideas tool to help you come up with great successful keywords. When you've decided on your keywords, type them in the keyword window for your campaign as shown here. Next we'll set up our ad groups. An ad group contains one or more ads that share similar targets. You set a bid or price to be used when an ad group's keywords trigger an ad to appear. This is called cost per click, CPC bid. You can also set prices for individual keywords within the ad group. That might sound a little complex, but it's actually fairly simple. Next we'll upload our video for the ad and give the ad its headlines and descriptions. I show here just a screen grab, a little hard to see, of the YouTube, of the window where you grab like a YouTube video or a video off your computer to use as an ad. Pretty simple. So let's say you set up all your information and you loaded your image, maybe a still image or a video. In my case, I loaded a video. Now it's time, so you're pretty much set up and you're pretty much done at this point. Now it's time to pay Google so we can start making money off our Google ads. The payment page should look like this. Don't forget to add promos, which you can actually Google for promos. Just do a Google search for promos. It can save you quite a bit of money. Click on Save and Finish when you're all paid, And wow, you're all done already. I show both pages here, the congratulations page and the payment page. Now the last step is we want to analyze our results. So we just created some great Google ads that are going to help grow our business. Now we need to see how successful they are and are going to be. Google provides an analytics page that displays the necessary metrics to help us track our success. Google also allows us to change our settings and keywords as the campaign runs. This gives us the ability to A/B test our ads and improve their effectiveness as the campaign runs. That's fantastic. So you can see the analytics page there. And one final thing is Google actually allows you to get other people to display their ads on your website, and you get paid for it. It's called Google AdSense. And if you have a successful website, you can easily start making extra money showing other people's ads. So enjoy viewing your very own Google advertisements that you made and being successful from them. I show some of the ads here, that how they look in devices and on a website. I show some AdSense ads here too. So this tutorial has been very helpful. I don't think anybody but the instructor is going to actually look at it, but the last couple of weeks in this class have been very helpful to me. I feel so confident now in Google Ads. I think I could easily even launch campaigns for clients. It's been pretty thorough learning this, so it's been great. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.